Hi everyone, it's Amanda Saladin from Love Life Yarn, and today we're going to be working the open shawl stitch. As you can see the example here. You can find more than 70 free patterns at lovelifeyarn.com and other great stitch tutorials. If you like this video, please subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, and to start this stitch pattern, of course we're going to start with a slip knot, so just make a slip knot in whatever way you normally do. Tighten it up. Now you can chain any multiple of 4 stitches. For this example, I'm going to start with a chain of 20, but as long as it's a multiple of 4, you can work this stitch pattern and any number of stitches as long as they are a multiple of 4. Okay, once you have your number of stitches, we're going to look to the 4th chain from the hook and work a shell. Now a shell is 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 more double crochet all in the same chain. Okay, and now we're going to skip the next 3 chains and double crochet, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet, so work a shell in the next one, and you repeat that. So you'll skip 3 chains and work the shell, which is 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the same chain. Okay, we're getting to the end here, and here you can see our row of shells. First row has been created. So now we're going to turn, and this is the row you're going to repeat. So you're just going to chain 3, and now we're going to work a shell in the chain 1 space. You can see right here, right in the middle. Work a shell right here in this chain 1 space. So 2 double crochet, chain 1, and 2 double crochet. And now just continue this all the way across, working a shell in the chain 1 space of the shell below it. Okay, so now we have 2 rows done. Like I said, you're going to repeat row 2 for the rest of the pattern. You will just chain 3 and work a shell in each shell. So chain 3, and then you'll just work in this chain 1 space, and the next, and that will create your pattern. So it's super simple, and it's a very nice open look. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please check out my website at love.life.yarn.com for those free knit and crochet patterns, and subscribe for more video tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.